Today we're going to show you how to change a blower wheel clamp on your dryer. It's a really easy job. All we're going to need is a stubby Phillips screwdriver, a 5/16 nut driver, and a pair of slip joint pliers. Let me show you how we do it. Now the first step in this repair will be to disconnect the power to the dryer. If it has a cord on it, simply pull the plug, and if it's a hardwired dryer, you'll need to locate the breaker or fuses and disconnect them. Next we'll remove 2 Phillips screws from just under the lip of this front panel. Next we'll tilt the front panel out at the bottom and then disengage the spring clips that secure it to the main top. Now, there should be enough wire on the door switch that we can just spin that panel around and set it out of the way. Next, we'll take a 5/16 nut driver and remove 4 screws that secure the bulkhead Now we can just gently lift up on that bulkhead and pull it forward, disengage it from the front of the drum, and we can set that aside. Now the clamp on the blower wheel is located right here. So with our slip joint pliers, we'll open those up, squeeze the tabs on the clamp just gently, and slide it off the old blower wheel. To replace it, we'll do the same thing. And while we're in this far, we want to check the fit of that blower wheel on the motor shaft, make sure there's no slack in it at all. If so, we should replace the blower wheel and clean any large pieces of lint or clothing that may have gotten caught on it. And then we're ready to put the bulkhead back on. Now, the bulkhead normally has some tabs, one on each side, that we can hang in these slots just to hold it in place until we get the screws ready. And we need to fit the inlet into the blower housing. And make sure that we tuck the 2 drum glides up under the drum. And once it's hanging there, just run your hand around the inside and make sure that the front felt didn't become misaligned. Then we're ready to install the screws. Next, we'll pull the front panel back into position and clip that wire harness on this tab that's located on the bulkhead. Tilt the panel out, engage the spring clips on the top, keeping an upward pressure on the front panel, and tilt it into place. These front panel screws go in at an angle, so make sure we have them lined up properly. Tighten them securely. Now we're ready to reconnect the power, and our repair is complete.